Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Insight channel. And today we'll talk about DallE 2, which is basically a GPT model. So it's an image. So GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. So it's coming from Open AI, and so it basically draws images or artwork based on your prompts, right? So we're going to see how to do this quickly. So the way you can log in is, this is a DallE 2 web page. You can go to openai.com/DallE 2, and you can go to the login prompt, and you can easily log in by using your email address, and quickly you can also connect through your Google account, right? So once you have a Google account set up, so basically you can go and look for your credits, and usually you have about they give about 50 credits actually. So I've used up most of my credits. So I'm going to quickly show you, how to generate these images. So these are pre-defined images, right? It's being created by someone else. So see here, so there's a 3D render. So they've given a prompt actually. They've given a prompt here, and these images were created. And there are various techniques to kind of manipulate these images and then kind of regenerate it, right? So AI will generate for you, and so that's how it works, right? So if you do the surprise me, it's going to give you all these different prompts, and you can also use those prompts, right? So we will use some unique prompts today and then see what we can do to generate these images. So I'm going to quickly show you my collection, my favorite collection. So basically, I created these images. So you see here, this is something that I created from my original picture that I took of Disneyland, and then I modified it. And this one I again created it. So this is another image I created it. So a lot of images I created. I'm going to show you, give you a link of these images in the description box below, so you can basically go and look at it. Um, but I'm going to show you how to create these images. Let me go back. I'm going to do this now. So first, let's see. I'm going to say, yeah, beautiful house. I'm going to say beautiful house with tropical surroundings. I'm going to generate it now. Let's see what it does. Okay, as you see, it takes a few seconds to generate it, and these are the images that it generated for me, right? So these are the images that generated for me. It's not great, but not bad, right? So it's almost realistic. Looks like it's a picture that was taken, right? Surroundings. I'm going to say surroundings. I'm going to say photorealistic. Okay. Okay. I'm going to say, instead of this, right? I'm going to say photograph. Okay. I'm going to zoom it a bit so that you can see properly. You can see it now. Picture of a photo of I'm going to say a photo of a beautiful house with tropical surroundings. Let's see what it does. Okay, it is generated now. All right. Okay, so here's the image, and the first one. This is the second one. The third one. This is the fourth one. Okay. I'm going to try one more. Kind of zoom it a bit. I'm going to give you another prompt. Actually, I'm going to give another prompt here. I'm going to say, let me see. Okay, now I'm going to say an oil painting of a lion drinking water in um, in the forest. Let's see what it comes up with. All right. Okay, I'm going to zoom center. Okay, here we go. This is what I got, right? Okay, this one is okay. This one is not bad actually. It looks pretty good. Okay, this is another one. This is another one that I got. Okay. All right. So I'm going to try this a little bit different now. Okay, I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to say a lion, painting of a lion. I'm not going drinking water by Leonard da Vinci and then Frederick Edwin Church. Highly detailed and dramatic lighting. So these are the one of the biggest artists that we have. I'm going to ask the AI to keep them as an inspiration and generate these images. Let's see what it does now. All right, so here you go. So these are the images I got. Okay, this is the one of the images I got, and this is not bad actually. This is another image. Oh, this is beautiful actually. This is beautiful. Yeah, this is also another image that I did. Right. Okay, I'm going to try another one. I'm going to say Elon Musk in an armor suit, right? In an armor suite, and I'm going to say hyper realistic. Let's see. Let's see what it does now. Okay, all right. It doesn't accept it. Actually, it says it doesn't accept my content policy, so I'm not going to do this. Okay, I'm going to try another one. A photo. Let's say an oil and a digital art of an elephant in the forest, surrounded by lush greenery. Okay, I'm going to try this out. Okay, here you go. This is what I got for this one. All right, this is what I got actually. Okay, so what you can do is, you can go back to your history, and you should be able to look at all the images, right? So these are some of the images that I created actually. So some of the images I also uploaded some images, and then I was able to change it. Some of these images, so you can go to each of those images, and if anything is a favorite, right? You can always share this, and you basically do this and edit images, and you can also generate variations for these images also. And then you can basically save it to your favorites. If you like this image, you can save it to your favorites, and it's going to go to your favorites, right? So hopefully you learned something here, and please do click like and subscribe to my channel. I'll do more videos like this, and I will also show you how to do some edits by uploading, and I'll give you more detail in my next video. And I'll have a series of parts on this one. The next video will show how to change some of the parts and then regenerate it, right? Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later in another video. Bye.